Today is another day. We're gonna try to make earth blocks. We're gonna set the timer for 1 hour and see how many we can make.
And see how good we feel afterward.
Yeah. If we feel pretty good, we might keep going. If not, we're gonna stop. And hoping we can make another 50 today. So we'll find out.
1 hour later.
How many did you make?
25, 26, 27.
27. The reason for that is I had trouble. I have this, you can kind of tell it's downward, which means whatever we did to fix that 2x4 in there wasn't, it's not holding the auger parallel. So it was just giving me such a trouble, and Eric had to help me out. It's still dispensing dirt, but maybe we gotta do something about it. We're gonna keep going a little bit longer, maybe make 50 and be done, you think? Yeah, we're gonna keep going. So I was having trouble getting the dirt out. Obviously, it wasn't sliding, so I think I have to bring some rake or something to bring the dirt towards the auger.
These has cement in it, right?
Yeah, these all scissors. I don't want to damage this Milwaukee drill getting all dirt out, you know?
Yeah, it's okay.
What the hell? Why did it stop?
What happened?
It started coming out, and I couldn't. I wasn't even touching it, but it was coming out. Things are getting stuck.
I think it's dead. I smell it.
Well, I think we are done. I think we are done for today. So we have left over. We're gonna try to make one block. We worked about hour and a half. I'm done. I'm done with putting the dirt in the bucket for today. I'm getting hurt and frustrated,
Busting your knuckles.
and Eric had to help me out quite a bit, so we could not make as many as we did yesterday. So we got total of 42 today in an hour and a half. It is because of my soil dispenser.
Couldn't get the dirt out fast enough. It kept jamming and catching rocks, and
Yeah, so, and it seems like it's just not, the auger is not the right place anymore. It seems like it got dislodged, and
it slowly wedges down because the weight of the drill's pushing it up, I think.
and also one of our drill got shorted and done.
Caught fire.
So yeah, that's it. I'm a little discouraged today, but we're gonna have days like this, and it is what it is, and we move on, right? Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna keep going. Whenever we have more exciting occasions, we're gonna make more videos and share with you. Have a good day. We still believe that once we get all these kinks out, I think this dispenser still works perfectly. You can see there's a rock inside of the hopper, which means that definitely it's gonna be jamming my auger. So we're gonna try to put some kind of mesh on top of it before we even put the dirt inside. And we will find a way to secure our auger to the bottom of our hopper. I get discouraged very easily when this kind of thing happens. But I think this is a learning process, and I think we're gonna do better next time. Thank you again. Have a great day.